Hey guys, this is Adam, and today we're talking about the brand new K95 RGB Platinum mechanical keyboard. Now, this thing was built from the ground up for performance, using only premium materials, but also it's got a few tricks up its sleeve. First, let's talk about the materials. The first thing you'll notice is the aircraft grade aluminum frame. This thing will withstand a lifetime of gaming. Something you can't see is you can store up to 3 profiles directly on the mechanical keyboard. That means no extra software needed, and you can take your macro and lighting profiles with you on the go. Of course, it comes with RGB per key backlighting, but what's new with K95 Platinum is a brand new light edge, which I think looks unreal. On the side, you'll notice 6 programmable G keys, perfect for all your macros. And because of your feedback, we've included a USB pass-through port. This will free up another port for your headset or mouse. Dedicated multimedia controls, Windows lock mode, detachable wrist rest, cue support. There is so much technology built into this keyboard.
The mechanical gaming keyboard Rocket Vulcan 80 shines in beautiful blue. The other variants, Vulcan 100, 120, and 121, feature the IMO illumination system, which reacts organically to your input and to other compatible devices. Each key's LED is individually configurable for maximum customization. What's more, the transparent switch housing amplifies the lighting effects. Pro tip: hold FN while pressing F1, F2, F3, or F4 to cycle schemes. Vulcan's top plate is crafted out of anodized aluminum. That reinforces the overall structural integrity of the keyboard to make it really solid. Its Titan switches also feature a dustproof design to make it easy to clean and expand its lifespan. The Titan switch is a Rocket creation. It's a tactile mechanical switch with a specially optimized actuation point and improved debounce mechanics. Thanks to this, the signal is registered up to 20% faster compared to other mechanical keyboards. The Vulcan was built to be as low profile as possible without compromising on functionality and comfort during use. Its working height is only 3.2 centimeters, which means your fingers don't need to be elevated while typing, thus minimizing strain. In fact, you don't even need to use a palm rest. While the Vulcan's keycaps may look smaller, their surface area is indeed full size, and so are the switches. The caps are lowered and feature a special fingertip shape that maximizes the typing experience. The Vulcan 80 is equipped with multimedia keys for volume, mute, and illumination brightness. The other Vulcan models give you the same feature, but with added mixer-style controls to make quick adjustments on the fly. The game mode is activated by pressing the FN key and scroll key. While turned on, the navigation and editing keys work as macro keys. Their functionality can be customized in the free driver software Rocket Swarm. The game mode also deactivates the Windows key so that you can avoid accidentally tabbing out while in-game. In gaming mode, you can double the functions of your Vulcan with Rocket Easy Shift. You can assign a secondary action or a macro to every button of the left half of the keyboard. They are activated with Caps Lock. Swarm provides presets for a lot of popular games, Of course, you can also set your very own Easy Shift configuration. If you have a rocking mouse that provides Easy Shift, it even works cross-device. Fun fact, with Swarm you can also set up a button to play a custom sound. First, configure Swarm to play one of Swarm's onboard sounds, for example when switching profiles. Then, open the Swarm sound folder, look for the selected original sound file, give your sound file the exact same name, and overwrite the original file with your new sound. There is also a black version, the Vulcan 121. It is identical to the Vulcan 120 except from the black top plate. The Vulcan 120 and 121 come with an ergonomic palm rest which can be attached and detached magnetically. The only difference between Vulcan 100 and 120 is that the latter comes with a wrist rest included. If you're looking for a mouse that perfectly fits the design of the Vulcan and completes your setup, check out our new gaming mouse, the Rocket Cane.